All right, so welcome to Redilight once again. Just going to do a little quick video of how to change a driver. So we've got a customer that has a standard driver at the moment, and they actually wanted to change it to a remote. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. So this is the existing one. So you simply unplug the light fitting, which is nice and easy. And there's two ways to do this. You can undo the actual wires, just like that, and this is the remote. Now this handset, this is synced to this driver. It has a little bit more components inside compared to the standard driver. So, but the outside is exactly the same. So you can do the same thing. Just make sure there's no strands coming out. So you can put that back into the negative and just tighten it up. And it's the same with this one, that into the positive, see, just like that. And it doesn't matter which one, you can use that negative or that negative. It doesn't matter which, or positive and positive, it doesn't matter which one. Okay, so you can do it that way, or a quicker way is to undo this green plug. And if you can undo the screw here, and the same on the other side, this plug comes out, and you can plug it into the new driver. So that's another way of doing it. Plug it back in. So that's how you swap over a driver in Savity.